Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, if you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
Good morning, my low riders. It is Monday morning, July the 10th, and I woke up. Y'all just saw me get myself ready for the day. Haven't had coffee or anything. I don't want any right now. No breakfast either. Today I'm going to be making a wig with deep wave hair, about 14 inches, and I'm also going to be sending it off today with 2 other wigs. Going to the same city, same place, but 2 different people. Haven't made a wig in about a month now, and I did kind of miss it. So you guys gonna sit here with me while I make a wig. I may not show you guys all the way through me making the wig, but you're gonna do a little bit with me, because sometimes when I'm doing a wig I get tired of looking at the camera to make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do and if the battery ain't died out or nothing. But anyway, I'm getting ready to start this wig, and that's it. I didn't wash the bundles last night because I was lazy and I didn't feel like it. So after I make the wig, I'm going to shampoo it, condition it, let it dry a little bit, a whole lot. We'll put it under the dryer on low air so that when I package it up, it'll be safe and won't get that mildew. You know how wigs get wet and they stay wet for a long time to get mildew. You guys, I am really tired right now. I don't know why, because I went to bed really early. But yeah, I got a lot to do today. I have to make the wig, and I'm knocking that off the box right now. I have to change the bedding on my sheet, vacuum, dust, all that stuff. Downstairs is already done. It's perfect. When I need to clean the 2 bathrooms upstairs, and maybe the one downstairs too. I never went to one downstairs, so I need to check that out. But it might need to get cleaned also. But that's it for now, you guys. Follow me along on my day, okay? About to put the wig cap on, and I'm using the size 21 canvas head because my client has a small head. I'm going to draw the lines on this so I know where I want to place my tracks and the closure. Just adjusting my closure on there because she wants the center part, so I'm adjusting the closure. We're securing it to where I'm going to sew it down at. Okay, guys, I'm just drawing my grid lines on. That's where I'm going to place the closure and sew the tracks on. I thought I did this off camera, but obviously I didn't. My bad. Earlier in the video, I said I did it offline. Shit. Not offline. You guys know what I mean. Off camera. And even though I'm drawing the grid lines on here, I still sometimes get off track and yeah. And I don't even be on a line, but hey, the wig still comes out good. Okay, guys, I drew my grid lines on and I'm sewing the 4x4 closure on because it's easier for me to, I find it easier for me to sew the closure on first and then go on and sew the tracks on. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I did draw the lines on off camera. When I sew the closure on, you guys, I start at I do the right side first, and then I go to the left side, and then I do the back side. Because sometimes you might need to adjust the closure, and you won't have to take down undo the thread all the way around. That's why I do the right side and then the left side. And after I do both sides, when I do the back part of sew down the back part of the closure, and somehow, some way, I have 2 videos of me sewing down the closure. Right here, you guys, I'm just doubling the tracks. And when I do that, that saves time because it means that I don't have to sew on a million tracks just to make the wig look thick. Okay, the tracks are doubled. They're side by side, not sitting on top of each other. You guys, somewhere along the line, my camera died after my phone died. And what you see right now is the finished product. And also, it looked a little bit thin on one side, so I did go back in and add more hair. I put the elastic band on and the clips on. So yeah, that's what's going on with this right here. I'm sorry I didn't have the footage to show you where I was actually sewing the wig, but I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Actually, you know what? The phone didn't even die. I thought I was recording, but I was not recording. So when I looked back up and saw that it wasn't, I'm like, oh. So that's what happened with that. But this is the final look, almost final look, because I did go back in and add more hair, and I will put pictures up of that. If you guys made it all the way through the video, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Guys, I am so sorry that I didn't get pictures of after I pressed the part down and it was like perfect. And again, that's when my phone actually died. But the wig came out perfect. She loved it.